This is attorney Stephen Rue, and today we're going to talk about Louisiana divorce. In very general terms, a person who lives in Louisiana can get divorced after living separate and apart from their spouse for a certain period of time. That's with living separate and apart without reconciliation. If the partners do not have minor children, if the spouses do not have minor children, they can get divorced after living separate and apart for 180 days. If they do have children together, minor children, then it's 365 days of living separate and apart. There are exceptions in cases of covenant marriage or if one of the spouses is actively in the armed forces. Likewise, there are other ways that one can get divorced based on fault. In Louisiana, you can get divorced if one party has committed adultery and the other party has not forgiven that person or reconciled from those acts or act of fault of adultery. Likewise, if your spouse has committed certain felonies, most recently, there are grounds for divorce when a spouse has been found to have committed physical violence on the other spouse and or one of the minor children. So that's a general rule as to how you can get divorced in Louisiana. There are certain technical rules that you should speak to your attorney about, as this is a brief tutorial on Louisiana divorce. Quite often when people file for divorce, they also ask for various incidental matters, such as physical custody and legal custody of the minor children, child support, medical insurance, medical coverage, coverage of educational expenses, spousal support, the use and occupancy of the family home, rental value for the other party's use of a community asset, such as perhaps a family home, use of vehicles, the return or be able to get tools and other assets and personal belongings out of a house, termination of community property, identifying assets and ultimately dividing the community property, etc. There are many things that can be done, and a competent family law attorney in your area should be able to help you. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. I'm attorney Stephen Rue, and I can be reached at 504-529-5000 or 985-871-0008. My website is stephenrue.com. Have a good day.